Here's how to refill a Lost Mary MO20000 Pro disposable vape. So I've already disassembled it to figure it out, but yeah, it's real simple. So this piece, the square part, goes that way. Getting it out is a little bit tricky. I used this tool on my Leatherman and I pushed it down, and then I was able to get around it. So I've got it too far down right now. There we go. So I'll just get that up without damaging the circuit board or wick. Yeah, that looks good. So it's nice and sealed now. I mean, good enough for me. And this part, let's wipe that off. That looks gross. You might want to refill these around 5 to 10%. Don't wait until 1% like I did. This is your anti-spitback sponge, so if it gets full, it might gurgle more. Right now, let's get that debris off there. Now it just snaps on there. So to disassemble, I recommend you take a paper towel, some pliers, just like that. And take this tool, push it down, pry it around, pull it out, and refill. There you go. This stuff's pretty good. Enjoy. It's not going to show your juice is higher, but it'll work.